When we were children, we roamed the woods all day. We didn't come back. We ate berries and stuff in the woods. We used the restroom in the woods. You know, it was no such thing as I'm going to sit in the house and play video games. We didn't have all this tech. So this is, to me, a return to that period where I was happiest in life. And being out here with this group, this is like being out here with my sisters. I grew up with 5 sisters and 1 brother. But this to me is, I'm comfortable in this space. I can trust them in this space. We have shared experiences. So it matters to us to look like each other, to be out here and know that we may not have met before, but we're similar.
My name is Naya. I am 24, and I've been in Charlotte for a year now. I know I need it, you know, the sense of community, even though I'm very content to be on my own, stay in my house with my cat. I am a cat lady. I do know that I need to get out more and meet people, so this is a way to do it.
Back, and it's been challenging to do. So, you know, I'm grateful to be able to be around people that get it. You know, I don't have to do a bunch of explaining or looking confused. And it's just good to be out here and just exhale and then get recharged. I appreciate all of you and being able to recharge so I can go back out there. Something about lawn chairs out in the warm air feels like a sacred place. When we all get together every day is a holiday. We're gonna have some good times with good friends. I've been to again for a long time.
The way to do it.
Mental health is such a big thing that people, especially Black people, dealt with silently, and I think we're still dealing with it silently and hadn't found really good ways to be able to get all of that out.
I think I do more sitting and meditating out here than actually walking, because I'll go and find a bench just in the middle.
Yeah.
Right in the middle of the woods, and I'll just sit there. You just, you know, meditation, you can just listen to the birds, just you know, be more visual, like the leaves, like just the leaves blowing, all that.
Am I the only one that's gonna dance? No, I'll let you too. I don't know. How did that feel? Just because it's a whole bunch of I mean, I can mingle with everybody. So, you know, I